continue starboard side.
Okay, continue starboard side. Continue.
Right, I will tell you.
Okay, Chief, copy. So, Chief Officer told me, continue starboard side, then he will inform me if we're going to stop this, we can shift in this other side. Depends on this neutral, the state of stability of the vessel.
我的那个手间上是500吨水，但是咱们现在手间上只有100多吨水。这样的话，离开三当座，船头水位大概在8米左右，船尾在9米1。
Vessel in is upright now?
Remain 60.
Ha?
60.
60 remaining?
Yes.
Okay. Possible what time?
30 minutes more.
30 minutes more. Chief, come in.
Go ahead.
60 remaining cargo, 30 minutes more, estimated time to finish.
Okay, copy.
Finish? Sec, come in. Yes, loading operation, finish, official time 1619.
1619.
Yes.